took a look several years ago at a rather extravagant tile system, and that's where you would take a couple acres of your field and you would build a reservoir, and it'd be a closed loop system. And we may be putting this tile in every 20 feet. And all the water we drained out of the field went into this reservoir, sort of a wetland we would create. And then later in the year, what you would do is you would take that water out of that reservoir, pump it back into your tile system, and it would be there for the crop that following year. The drawback to that is it's a very, very expensive system to put in per acre. You're also taking out a couple acres for, every 80 acres. So, and also it's a very precise system. Your grade has to be very precise. You're also going to have lots of flow control gates out there to control that. I think that system has merit. I think the technology needs a little bit further development. And I'd like to see someone else try it first. There are some studies going on. Beck's Hybrids is doing some work with that. And it's also, you don't have to use that reservoir to irrigate your crop. You could also have a well in, and that's going to be a more efficient way to irrigate. There's also another way of controlling your water coming out of the tile, and that'd be through flow control gates. For example, as the year went on and we wanted to contain some of that water in the field, pretty much just having a shut-off valve, and we go out there and shut it off. You can also go with a fancier system, and there'd be flow control mechanisms within the tile that is going to keep the water at a certain level in there. Got a couple things against that, and when water slows down, the sediment that's in the water is going to slowly settle out to the bottom. My concern is with this expensive tile system that we're putting in, upwards of $1,000 per acre, as we start stopping the flow of water, that sediment could then silt out in there, and then when we only have a tile that's 4 inches in diameter, slowly over time it'll start filling in with dirt.